As many Nigeria-trained medical doctors and other professionals continue to leave the Black Africa country to developed countries in search of greener pastures, a new law debated at the Nigeria House of Representatives has scaled through second reading. The intended new law aimed to prevent Nigeria-trained medical doctors or dental practitioners from traveling abroad until they must have spent 5 years working in Nigeria to improve the country's healthcare system. The bill to prevent Nigerian-trained medical or dental practitioners from traveling abroad passed second reading at the House of Representatives with the aim to prevent the medical doctors from being granted full licenses until they have worked for a minimum of 5 years in the country. The bill is said to be part of the measures to halt the increasing number of medical doctors leaving Nigeria for other countries in search of greener pastures. The title of the amendment bill, which was sponsored by Honorable Ganiyu Abadan Johnson, reads in quote, "A bill for an act to amend the Medical and Dental Practitioners Act, CAPM 379, laws of the Federation of Nigeria, 2004 to mandate any Nigeria-trained medical or dental practitioner to practice in Nigeria for a minimum of 5 before being granted a full license by the Council in order to make quality health services available to Nigeria, and for related matters, HB.2130. The second reading was taken on the floor of the House in Abuja on Thursday. Honorable Johnson told the House that it was only fair for medical practitioners who enjoy taxpayer subsidies on their training to give back to the society by working for a minimum number of years in Nigeria before exporting their skills abroad. The majority of lawmakers supported the bill, though a number of them called for flexibility and options in the envisaged law.
Notice that there is heavy decline on medical brain drain. From 24,000 to now, as I speak, we have less than 10,000 doctors in Nigeria. So that is alarming. So I now thought to myself that, okay, let us look at our laws, what is happening. I noticed that, look, the vacuum is that immediately after housemanship, we notice that most doctors, because of greener pastures, there is a capital flight from Nigeria abroad to UK, America, and all that. Now, government has invested so much money in training these medical doctors. So if you realize, if they can now take advantage of our situation, okay, and now open their doors, because just recently in 2020 UK opened healthcare visa to people. They were all going to UK and US too, and Canada. So what should we do? Should we fold our arms? So now I said, okay, maybe to give back to the society, that is to our people, after training you. Yes, we are not saying you cannot go abroad to make your money, but if government has subsidized your tuition, okay, I mean, to the tune of 40 to 150,000, the least we can get from you is that after your housemanship, before you are given full license, before you are given full license, at least you can give back to the society within a period of 5 years. So after 5 years, you are free to go. At least you've given back to the society.
One member, Honorable Uzoman Kemabonta, opposed the bill on the grounds that it was more like enslavement to tie a doctor down for 5 years in Nigeria, post-graduation, before seeking employment in a foreign country. However, a majority voice vote passed the bill for second reading. The plenary of the House was presided over by the Speaker, Honorable Femi Gbajabiamila.